This week we're going to be learning about using division, which is sharing. So we're going to look at this picture of the fruit. I have apples, pears, and strawberries. The first question asks, which fruit could you equally share among the 3 bears without cutting any pieces? And how do you know? Well, first I'm going to come over and I am going to label my arrays, because this is just like multiplication. I'm going to come over and I'm going to count my rows at 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I have 4 rows in 1, 2, 3 columns. So I know I have 4 times 3 on here, so I know that I have 12 apples total. So I can count that by just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to go that way. So I know I have 3 bears. So I have 1, 2, 3. So that is a possibility, because this could be 1 bear, 2 bears, and 3 bears, and they each get 4. Let's see if this one will work. I have 1 row, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I have 1, 2, 3. So this one could also work, because I have 3 rows again, and each bear could get 5 pairs. Now I'm going to check the strawberries. Let's see how many columns I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many. Is that going to work though? Because now I have a 4th column. So that already means I'm going to have an extra column, and I cannot split up 5 strawberries equally among 3. So I already know that this one cannot be my answer. So I'm going to come back and look at these 2. So I have 3 columns in both. So really, you could choose either one. You could choose the apples or the pears. Next, so I'm going to write here apple, or pear. Okay, the next question says, how many apples will each bear receive? So I know that we said up here that there are 3 columns, and each column has 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put an A for apple. So each bear would receive 4 apples. The next one is pear. So let's see, I have 3 columns again, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pears. Okay, the last question says, which fruit cannot be shared equally by 3? Well, where's the one that we put an X on? The strawberries. So I'm going to put an S for strawberries. And how many are left over? Well, we had 1 extra column left, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there'd be 5 strawberries left. So in our step up, it says your teacher will give you a sharing mat. Use cubes on the mat to figure out each share, and then complete the sentence. Well, we don't have a sharing mat, so you could just draw a picture of yours, or you can draw them out on a piece of paper. It says there are 12 apples in total. There are 3 bags. So I am going to draw how many that could be, because I know that there are 3 bags, so I'm going to go ahead and draw my 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to come over here to the side and draw 12 tallies, because that's how I know how many apples I need in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I've already used 3 of them, so I'm going to go ahead and cross out 3. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 more that I have to use. So I'm going to just draw 3 more to make a second row. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to cross off 3 more. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 3 more for a third row. 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to cross off 1, 2, 3 because I drew 3 more apples. And now I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 more left. So 1, 2, 3. So I should have 12 circles drawn to represent my apples. Let's go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did have 12. So now I know I have 1, 2, 3 rows, or sorry, 3 columns for my 3 bags that I wanted to find. Now I have to figure out how many are in each of my bags. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I know I have 4 apples in each bag. The next one says complete each of these. There are 20 cherries in total. There are 4 plates. So just like I did in the first one, I'm going to draw my tallies. I need to have 20 total. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Now I'm going to make my 4 rows because I know I have 20 total. And I have 4 plates. So the plates are representing my rows. So I'm going to draw my 4 rows. My 4 columns. 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off my first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do 4 more. I'm going to cross off 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to draw 4 over here. 3, 4. Now I'm going to do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cross off 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now let's see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So I'm going to cross off those 4. I'm going to add them to my array. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, just like I did earlier, I counted my 4 rows, my 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to see how many I have in each row. So I have 4 columns and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 cherries on 4 plates each. So let me go back and count to make sure that makes sense. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that gives me 5 cherries on each plate. The next one says write the number in each group. So they already gave me my 3 packs. Here's 1, 2, 3. So it says I have 12 balls in all and I have 3 packs. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 12 tallies again so I can mark them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 in each bag. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to cross off 3 because I just drew 3. I still have more left, so I'm going to go draw another one. 1, 2, 3. So let me go cross off 3 more. 2, 3. I still have more left, so let me draw another one in each bag. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 3 left, so that will go evenly in each bag. So let me go ahead and draw 1, 2, 3. Now I can cross off the remaining 3. Now I'm going to go back up and look because it wants to know how many balls are in each pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, they all have 4 golf balls. So I'm going to write the number 4. Then on your step ahead, you can complete this if you would like. You do not have to. It says Samaru needs to share these marbles among 5 friends. Not 4. Okay. How can he share the marbles so that each friend will have the same number? So they already drew. Here's 1 bag, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're going to use the marbles that they already gave you in their bags. So you have to figure out how many marbles there are in all right now, and you're going to draw new bags. So at the bottom, you're going to draw your own new bags. So I'm going to draw my 5 bags on the bottom. 3, 4, and 5. So you're going to figure out how many marbles there are in all, and then you're going to split them up evenly so that each friend has the same number of marbles.